Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Even, to the Finxter Freelancer course. So welcome to the course, Even. Great to have you on board. I really appreciate you joining the course, and I think you made a very good life decision because freelancing is on the rise. Freelancing is one of the I would say mega trends of our time. So we have a shift from being employed to being freelancers, to being freelanced. This is just a shift of thinking. If you think about it, being employed is also, if you are an employee, you're also a business owner. You own your own business, which is yourself, and you sell your services to a company, which is a company that hires you. So you are just in an employment contract, just as you are as a freelancer. The advantage of freelancing compared to employment is that you can, first of all, you can sell your services to multiple companies instead of only one, which makes you more robust and which increases your job security actually. And second, you can slice your time and sell multiple slices in a single day to multiple companies, of course. And second is that you can actually sell your create contracts with companies. So you can either have many small type of contracts with many different companies, or you can have larger contracts that extend to months or even years with a single company. This is also possible. It's almost then as being an employed person, and you can very flexibly divide your time as you want. So you have like the whole spectrum available of options. How you want to position yourself as a freelancer is just your own choice. Okay, and in this video, I want to actually share one. I want to welcome you, which consider it done. So welcome to the Finxter Freelancer course. But I also want to give you some tips on the way, and maybe give you an idea of what could be an interesting niche to be in as a freelance developer. And I just found this niche, which I considered very interesting. It's called website testing or software application testing. I think these are actually two different niches, but both of them can be quite interesting. And if you check out Upwork, there's this is one gig I found on Upwork in the gig catalog. So they offer their services to test applications and test websites, and they offer packages that start with $200 with 3-day delivery time. So in this case, like the minimum package would be $200, and the freelancer can do it actually in 3 days, can accomplish it in 3 days. So he would spend 3 days to earn $200. And of course, he wouldn't work the whole days. Probably it's just a streamlined business. Probably he can make multiple such gigs in 3 days. But I mean, he also has different tiers, like a standard tier and advanced tier, which is $500 and $1,500. So you don't need many of those gigs per month to actually pay you a full-time income, right? So I think it's a quite interesting niche to be in. If you are interested in testing and you are interested in, say, web development, or even focusing just on software application, you can do it actually. And you can, I can share with you some research. This is the project catalog on Upwork. And as you can see here, and you can just type in website testing and then scroll interesting gigs. Yeah, so for example, this guy offers app or website testing, so you can position yourself and niche down even more, position yourself in a very unique niche so that it really suits your client's needs. As I said, you don't need many of those gigs to actually pay for your full-time income. You just need a couple of them per month, and so it's probably a very good idea to niche yourself down, to make it very specific, and then you can create multiple of those specific gigs if you want at a later point in time. But you should, every gig should be very specific, addressing the specific needs of your clients. For example, if they have a Django application, you can offer Django website testing, and then people will search this and people will hire you for this. You will have less volume, but you will have higher conversion rates, and you can increase volume by offering multiple those gigs, and you can then streamline your services much more efficiently. Because if you already know that it is a Django application you're testing, you can write scripts that you reuse for different website testing gigs and so on, yeah? And you will have a structure, and over time it will become much more efficient to do the same type of gigs. So, okay, this is, I think, a very good niche idea even. You can consider it, or you can just screen the Upwork gig catalog or Fiverr gig catalog for similar types of gig or other type of gigs that interest you most in data science, machine learning. Anyways, I wish you well. In the course, I will give you the full introduction, the slow introduction. This is just like an appetizer. This welcome videos, I will give you a slow introduction, and you just try to complete the action steps, try to work on your practical projects and adhere to the training plan, I actually provide you with the freelancer course as well. Okay, so thanks for joining again, Ivan. Great to have you on board. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask, and see you in the course. Bye.